All right, I feel like this morning we may be taking a step back in time to our childhoods today with the story of Matilda. Pittsburgh Community Theater has an upcoming production of the play. We have two of the cast members here joining us this morning. Matilda herself, Bryn Sucraw, and Alex Chesney playing Mr. Wormwood. All right, thank you guys for joining us this morning. Let's get started. For those who don't know the storyline of Matilda, Alex, would you give us a brief synopsis of the play?
Yeah, so at the very beginning, we find out that all these parents are talking about how their child is so important and they're a miracle. Then Matilda over here comes along and tells the other part of the story that isn't too great, that her parents don't believe her as a miracle. And as the story goes on, she is put through all these challenges and trials of a bad headmistress, bad parents, but she overcomes these with these magical powers, finds a wonderful person named Miss Honey, and lives a happily ever after life at the end of that. So.
Now, Alex, to me, you seem like a really sweet guy, but you play the role of Mr. Wormwood,
Yes.
who is Matilda's father.
Yes.
Correct. Is Mr. Wormwood as nice as Alex is?
No.
Not at all.
Yeah.
Describe to me the relationship between the two characters.
So it's like Matilda is just being herself, and he's like, "Go to bed, you boy, bookworm, whatever." And so I just keep saying I'm a girl throughout the whole play because he calls me a boy, because his son Michael is like their dream child. And then at the end, he finally calls her a daughter, but then they have to like leave it to go to Spain for some reason.
All right. What are some of the funnest parts of the play for you to do?
The funnest part is there's a song called Naughty, and it's just me, and I get to jump around on my bed and have fun, and it's just a lot of fun.
That's cool. You were telling me during the break that, I'd asked you if you'd ever seen the movie or if you saw it before you auditioned for the play, and you said this play is a lot different than the movie that we remember.
Yes. So it's not that much different. She can still like move things with her eyes, but she's not like dancing around. She can't like open the curtain windows. She just knocks over a water jug. And so it's just different because everything's like interrupted with songs, which makes it better, but different in a way.
All right. So how long have you been singing?
It might surprise you, but like 5 years.
5 years?
Maybe.
And you're, I'm guessing 10, is that right?
Yes.
I overheard earlier. I have those powers. So you're a student at St. Mary's Colgan.
Yes.
How exciting is it for you to be able to participate in the Pittsburgh Community Theater?
It's really exciting. It's really fun.
Something you want to keep doing?
Yes.
All right. Well, that's cool. Let's give the details of the play. When and where can everybody see it? Showtimes?
Yeah, it's going to be at Pittsburgh Memorial Auditorium the 22nd through the 24th. Those showtimes are probably going to be at 7:30 on Friday, Saturday, and then matinee performances on Saturday and Sunday.
That's right. And the matinee performances are at 2 p.m.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Talk about the cast. There's a lot of kids in this cast. There's got to be a lot of kids. It's held at a school, you know? So how is that to work with a lot of youngsters?
It's a lot of fun. It's challenging.
Sorry, I'm calling you a youngster. I made myself feel old just then.
It's challenging, but it's also very accessible. They're all talented actors. She's running circles around me a lot of the times with the amount that she has to memorize. It's insane, but all of them do a wonderful job there on the stage, and it's just a pleasure to act with all of them. It kind of ties the whole unit together, and it's just really cool. I don't know what else to say about it.
Mm-hmm. And I imagine you have a ton of lines. Matilda's a very big role, so you're spending the bulk of your summer memorizing. And
Yes.
so what are you going to do when the play's over?
I don't know.
Take a break.
Yes.
Yes, for sure. All right. Describe to me like the set. What does everything look like?
Oh goodness. Well, everything is kind of modular in that sense, but it evolves quickly from outside of Truncham Hall. You see the gate, you'll see the classroom with all their desks. You go quickly inside to the Wormwood house, you go to Miss Honey's house. It's really cool how it all flows together. We're going to have swings that are just going to appear. It's a really cool set, and it's just really fun to see how like the magic comes to life within that set.
That's cool. All right. Well, and again, this play is coming up, Matilda, it starts on July 22nd, runs Friday through Sunday with the evening shows, like you said, on Friday and Saturday, and matinee shows on Saturday and Sunday. All right. Thank you guys for coming in this morning.
No problem.
And you know what they say before production, break a leg.
leg.
Yes. We'll be right back.